an add-on squad, but look for one.
For battle.
There should be a thing. I'm gonna put the battle text back on, oi. Because it
Yeah,
always
whatever you
says
want.
when I'm about to die, it always says
We've
warning
only
or
got 1
something.
minute left anyways.
Oi, look at this combo.
This is easy peasy. I want to check if this is Andy actually.
Wait, how do I make the sound thing again?
What sound?
Like, so when I'm about to die,
Oh, I don't know, I haven't used that
the
in
thing
ages.
comes on.
I'll just put my attack bar right in line of sight where I'm gonna keep looking, so right on top of my attack bars and below the enemy. So I know what I'm looking at.
Yeah.
So then I know if I'm low, pop defenses. Go for the top one.
Who we going?
Electric
Top,
fuel. Electric fuel.
Ready? Start him. Go.
Right. Make our last game a win.
Okay, bottom one.
Oh, I nearly died. That was AP defenses, bro. I thought they were going for you. Don't die. I'm coming for a restun. Oh no!
Oh, I'm lag. I lag.
Lizard!
Oh no!
Lizard!
No, listen! Oh.
Can we please have a moment of rest in peace for...
Oh, wow. This guy was so lucky.
I recorded that.